morning, YouTube. Today is Monday, and you are aware, but if you don't follow me on Twitter, you can follow me on Twitter. But today, I decided to end the bulk and start the cut. I guess when I started the bulk series or whatever, I was already 6 months in. Really wanted to go 180, but I've been plateauing at 175. I think it's good, and I'm starting to feel unathletic, and I want to be able to move. I want to be able to run. I want to be able to swim, bike, hike, and all that. I am just going to do a caloric deficit just to test how to lose weight with no exercise. Well, exercise, but no cardio, specifically just caloric deficit. I'm going to be late. So much rain, so much traffic.
I think that's called life.
Life is life, man. Yeah.
Kelly and Jacob, geez, I don't know if you met them. They're another friend from our group here.
Yeah, the German dude.
Yeah, the guy that's running, the runner.
Yeah, I met him.
Yeah, basically you pick the date and you go to the hospital and then, you recover. Here's the thing, the best way to do it is all natural. He's just like saying whatever, like gibberish, whatever.
Right. For such a gloomy night, it turned out to be a beautiful day. I mean, absolutely beautiful. I mean, it's blue skies everywhere. A few clouds in the sky, but still, they're not dumping copious amounts of rain on us. I'm about to go into the gym. Usually, I park the car, I finish drinking a little bit of pre-workout, and then I head in and I attack it, moving things a little bit later in the day. I started a cut. And basically all that means is now I'm in a caloric deficit. I'm not as fed as I normally would be. So what I'm thinking of attempting is moving my workouts a little bit later in the day so that I can get a little bit more fuel in the tank before I go in so that I can maximize that time. I don't know, just what I'm thinking. Had a really good coffee with Blake. He explained to me the rules of spike ball. I think it's called spike ball, or smash ball, or smash game. Spike ball.
Gotcha.
I'm here, you're here. The two unfortunate human beings that we're playing are right here and right here. So imagine this is like volleyball, but instead of hitting the ball over the net, you're hitting it into this net. So imagine the entire premise of volleyball, you can only touch it once on each side.
Yes.
This is your volleyball net, but instead of passing it over that net, you're hitting it directly.
What?
The whole thing is hand-eye coordination, speed, and a lot of flash.
A lot of pizzazz.
That's the last part. Flash or pizzazz.
I like pizzazz a lot.
Let's go with pizzazz.
I think we're gonna play sometime, but we both realize that we're both highly competitive, so it might not be good because we might end up smashing each other's faces or spike balling each other's face. I don't know if that's the thing. I'm gonna run inside. I'm gonna eat some food, do some work, and then Bobby and Allie from Bobby and Allie, or Allie and Bobby Fine Art Photography are coming over. Yeah, let's go. Bunny in the backyard. I think Jack needs a pet.
That was my PR 5x5.
Yeah. Your single rep max is probably 300. Awesome. I'll check in with Taylor, and we'll get back with you as soon as humanly possible.
That's all up?
Yeah, man. What do you weigh right now?
167. 167.
Okay. Has it been pretty all over the place past couple weeks?
No, it's been sustained. Like I've been at 166, 167. Been right there.
Cool, but I just mean like you're eating.
Yeah, oh yeah. As far as that, that's been the problem.